Hi everyone, Jennifer Dawn here. Today we're going to talk about how you can create your own course with CourseCraft. Creating an e-course can be a very confusing, time-consuming, and expensive process, but it doesn't have to be. Enter CourseCraft. There's no need to pay for a separate domain, plugins, storage, or even a shopping cart. You can easily create a polished and professional e-course without any design skills whatsoever or any coding experience. All of this stuff is built right into the platform for you. Today we're going to go over a brief overview of what CourseCraft has to offer, and then I'm going to create subsequent videos showing you exactly how you can create your own course with CourseCraft. We're going to go ahead and create a course called Course Creation for Creative Entrepreneurs. So let's get started. What I want to point out is you do not have to make courses just on blogging, how to blog, marketing, or anything in that specific niche. Basically, you can create a course on anything you consider yourself an expert on. So as you can see here, we've got some people doing an e-course on body love. We have narrative therapy story prompts. We have a 30-day craft cleanse. There's also a course on learning watercolor painting. So really the possibilities are endless with CourseCraft. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features CourseCraft has to offer, as well as the pricing structure. So as far as the pricing goes, let's do the brief overview first. They have 3 different pricing tiers. So the free version of CourseCraft, there is a 9% transaction fee. You get up to 100 participants per course, up to 100 gigabytes uploads per course, instant payouts. You can drip lesson schedule, integrate with your website, create promo codes, have commenting and a discussion forum, and also have access to course stats and analytics. The next tier is the club tier, which is $29 per month. You get all of the features that you get in the free version, only now you're only paying 5% transaction fee. You get unlimited participants, unlimited uploads, sell add-ons with your course, do custom branding, add forms and quizzes, bundle your courses together, and customize your course URL. The next tier is called Society, and it's $59 per month. You get everything that's included in the previous tiers, but now you're not paying any transaction fees. You also get to work with collaborators. You can manage and pay affiliates, and you get unlimited free seats. So you can go ahead and read all of the details for yourself on the pricing and the features that you can get on CourseCraft. You can also go right on the website and read about all of the features that CourseCraft has to offer. Let's just take a quick look. So you have a simple and flexible editor, and this is one of the things I love the most about CourseCraft is I have to use programs that are simple. I am challenged when it comes to tech, so I need something that is super easy to use. So here's your editor, and this is what it looks like. You can connect with PayPal or Stripe for easy payments. You can schedule out your lessons. You can easily integrate your course onto your blog or website. You can create forms and quizzes, add-ons, private courses, and of course, like I mentioned, work with collaborators, create promo codes, interact with your course participants by enabling comments, custom branding, and of course your course statistics. There's no upfront costs, no commitments, and you can get started for free. So let's go ahead and get started on creating a course so you can get a little bit of an overview first to see exactly how CourseCraft may work for you. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the Create Course button and give your course a name. And as I mentioned, we're going to call this Course Creation for Creative Entrepreneurs. And I've gone ahead and already created a graphic for this particular lesson. And we'll just go ahead and click on Create Course. Okay, so let's take a quick look at what we have. So, of course, we're going to leave it closed for enrollment because we haven't even created the course yet. All we've done is make the feature image. And here you would type a short description of your course. So we're just going to put a quick little description here just for demonstration purposes. So I'll go ahead and save that. And now we're just going to take a quick look at the layout of the course creation process. So one of the first things you're going to notice, the next option is your landing page. So this is where you're going to create your sales page explaining exactly what it is you're offering and what your course is about and what you can expect to get out of this course. So you have your section, you have your text editor section right here. And then you have the option of adding images as well as videos, which I highly recommend using videos in your courses. It just adds that more personable touch, and people do tend to do business with people that they know, like, and trust. It also helps people retain the information easier from my own experience. So the next thing you have is your heading section and another text editing box. You then have your sign up button. You create two different sign up buttons. You get the sign up button for when enrollment is open and for when your enrollment is closed. The next part is your table of contents, which is going to show people your lesson list. And then, of course, you have your frequently asked questions. And again, another sign up button. So what they've done is they've formatted the layout for better optimization. So the next section is the lesson list, and this is where you're going to start creating your lessons. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'll just quickly show you. If you click on the Create a New Lesson button, you're going to title it, and then you can add it into groups. The next section is where you're going to price your course and configure your payment options. So you can choose a one-time payment, you can offer a payment plan, you can offer one of those pay as you want pricing modules, I guess you would call it, or you can offer a free course. Now you do have to have one of the memberships, as mentioned before, in order to be able to sell add-ons. So you can do downloads, add extra lessons, and we'll go over that in subsequent videos. The next section is the advanced section. And this is where you're going to do any of your custom coding. CourseCraft has designed it so that you do not have to have any coding experience. You don't have to know coding. All the coding is done for you. You can also manage your collaborators in this section. The next part is where you get into the promotion. So if you click on Share under Promote, this is where you're going to grab the URL for your course, as well as customize your URL if you're on one of the paid plans. You can then integrate it with your blog or website. You can choose 3 different styles for your website: auto size, large or small. The next section is your mailing list. So this is where you're going to integrate your email provider. And as you can see, it lists 5 of the most commonly used email providers. The next section is where you're going to create your promo codes. So all you would do is simply click on this little button that says New Code, create your code, choose which course it's for, because a lot of creators will have several courses. You choose your percentage off and how many times the code can be used. Next section is prepaid seats. So this is where you're going to create special links if you want to give people free access to your course. The next section is the affiliate section. And this is where you're going to manage your affiliates. And of course, all of these are blank right now because I've created a new account so that we can create the course together. The next section is where you manage your course. So this is where you're going to see any activity on your course, which, as I mentioned, is going to be blank because we are just creating the content now. So within the Manage section, you can view your stats. This is where you're going to see how many people have visited your course, how many people have enrolled, how many sales you have made, and you can view that for different time frames. The next section is your leads list. And this is where you're going to view all of your email contacts. The next section is the participant list. And this is going to show the students in your course. The next section is the comments section. And this is where you're going to be able to view any of the comments that have been left on your course. The next section is forms. And this is where you can add forms to your lessons.
So now that we've gone through an overview of what you can expect from CourseCraft, I just wanted to talk about a couple of my favorite features or benefits of the CourseCraft platform. First one being, if you go over to the showcase, and that's the section that I showed you right here, where you have examples of other courses created. Now, CourseCraft has gone ahead and created their own course called CourseCraft 101 that actually teaches you how to use CourseCraft. And the beauty of this is not only are they educating you on using their system, they're actually showing you firsthand what their system looks like. So that is a really great benefit right there. The other thing that I wanted to point out is their pricing structure. Now, their top tier pricing level is $59 per month. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I am currently paying $297 per month for something that is very similar to this. So I've got some thinking to do. There is a chance that I may move everything over from the platform I'm currently on over to CourseCraft because it has a lot to offer at a fraction of the cost. So I hope you guys found this very valuable. And if you have any questions at all about the course or creating courses and marketing the courses, go ahead and pop your questions or comments down below. And if it's something that I can't answer myself, I'll have Sarah pop in here and provide the answer for you. So I hope you all have a great day and stay tuned for the next lesson.